In a world where technology reigns supreme, one creation stands tall: Bitcoin. Bitcoin, the pioneer product of revolutionary blockchain technology. Bitcoin was originally introduced as an entirely decentralized currency, a monetary system for and by the people, free from manipulation by any central power. This decentralization was Bitcoin's main allure, painting a picture of a fair financial realm where power was evenly distributed. However, the current scene seems to divert from these ambitious goals. Increasingly, Bitcoin is likened to a gambling platform with sky-high stakes, under the control of a small group of influential entities, referred to as whales. With purported ownership of up to 99% of all Bitcoin, these entities can twist and turn the cryptocurrency market to their liking, akin to the house in a casino adjusting the odds. This influence isn't restricted to Bitcoin accumulation. These so-called whales also hold sway over the majority of Bitcoin exchanges, enabling them to manipulate future trades and, thus, the direction of Bitcoin's value. They're reaping colossal profits every day, as if they're not only the biggest bettors at a casino table, but also control the house's odds. Furthermore, there is growing unease regarding potential illicit activities that some of these influential entities may engage in. Bitcoin's anonymity has unfortunately made it an attractive tool for financial misdemeanors, thereby casting a pall over the true ethos of blockchain technology. So, where does this leave the average investor or newcomer to the realm of cryptocurrencies? Firstly, it's important to recognize the dichotomy between the trailblazing technology that underpins cryptocurrencies and the contrasting reality of Bitcoin's present landscape. Caution and risk awareness are therefore paramount. Secondly, don't put all your capital in one place. The age-old advice of diversification remains valid, even in the erratic world of cryptocurrencies.